How to replace the front bezel. Note: only certain models in this platform series support the configuration of the following components: glass side panel, liquid cooling system, lighting control module, LED lighting bar, glass front bezel, front RGB fan, front lighting module. Removal: lie the unit down on its side and position it so that you can access the bottom of the unit. Remove the P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the front bezel to the front compartment. Grasp the bottom edge of the front bezel and pull gently to remove it from the front compartment. As you complete the replacement of a part for the desktop, you should ensure that all of the cables are correctly routed. The interior of the system should never look like this after a service event. As you route any cables that you've connected back into position, be sure to use the clips, hooks, and tape that are provided on the chassis for this purpose. This prevents the possibility of cables snagging or sagging when the desktop is moved. It also helps ensure clear sight and access to the components, should any further troubleshooting or servicing be needed. Replacement: align the hooks on the front bezel to the clips at the top edge of the front compartment. Push down gently until the front bezel clicks into place. Replace the P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the front bezel to the front compartment.